this is Skylar back with another video. So today we are finally in the summer beach house realm, and this is a very special update, and I'm so excited. So it's currently 4 a.m. in our country, and I haven't slept yet because I'm giving everything for this update documented to you guys. And take note that as of this moment, it is only available in private servers, so maybe later it'll be in public. So yeah, but before we check out the full realm, we'll first look at some of the new additions to the game. So first is the butterfly set, fluttering butterfly set collection by Crystal, Fluorite, or Matte. So they have fluttering butterfly bodies and a fluttering butterfly skirt. That's fancy, and it's the same thing here. And for this is a surfboard. Surfs up, ride the waves when you fly with the surfboard made by Crystal Fluorite, made by the same person. We also have some new hair made by Shia, and these are really good. Look at it, they are so angelic for some reason, so enchanted. When you see this hair, it reminds me of Enchanted by Taylor Swift. It's a good song.
This hair, Shia just outdone herself. Look at this beautiful hairstyle. So shy the way to mermaid. I think this is what bun. Oh, that's cool. But wait, why is there something like this? You can curl your hair over it. Oh, it's for sole purposes. That. Okay, cool. What about the night star? Whoa, I see that. Whoa. Wait, I'll just pick my favorites. Let me show you. Yeah, this one is so cool too. This one. Oh my god, I love them all, but I guess I'll stick with this.
For now, yeah. And there are also hairstyles for the boys, yeah, made by Shia as well. So this is just small story time. So it was like 3 a.m. an hour ago. The new map was released where there's a beach house and teleport to the trading hub directly, like this. And the arrival screen was replaced by the beach house realm, and then and then we can't access the beach house realm yet because it teleports us to the apartment. So Essie slept, and she'll just explore the update like later, like once she woke up. And yeah, I'm left with Max. So also there is a new merch in my group, so make sure to check it out. So yeah, let's proceed to the summer beach house realm. So first of all, this is the leaderboard that Barbie was talking about. And ooh, update book. There is an update book. Oh, wait. You can click it. You actually can. Ooh.
College Princess Collection made by Shia. Yes, this is the first one. New hairstyles by Shia. So new makeup and outfits. New skirt and bodies by Crystal Flight. New profile journal. New beach house. Touch ups made the enchanting heirloom for Crystal by Crystal Flight. And you can teleport the galactic trading hub and beach house and join teleportation chapter.
And these are a lot. I mean, all of the hard work. Oh wow, movement sensor. I love it so much. This is really good. You see, I mean every detail, like you can look at all the details. The seashell mirror, and then whoa, Barbie and the developers really outdone themselves. These are really good. Just it's only one room yet, but like I'm already satisfied with it. And the ruins, oh my gosh, this realm is really beautiful. If this isn't perfection, I don't know what it is. This aesthetic poster is provided by Monster Cat. Beach house, so cute. Oh, we have the same, yeah, we have this thing right here. This is where I place my books and school stuff. Yeah, we have the same thing as this. So beautiful. Oh yes. Also notice in private servers, instead of 12, there are 15 players. Maximum of the servers. And this is the smoothie one. It's working now because when Barbie, ooh.
Actually choose passion orange, cream green, strawberry limeade, Shanana sunset, rainbow paradise, just peachy. Maybe I'll choose this, just peachy. Because it has banana on it. Oh, peach. Wait, peach there. Banana. Where is the banana there? Okay, one orange. I love how all of these are functioning. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, Barbie, you're so cool. You can also tell that Barbie has been working hard non-stop. Like, before this update was out, she was even like still in the last minute working on this. I mean, come on. This is worth it. It's worth the wait.
Coconut because we're extra. Ooh, that's really cool. I love the visuals. I love the aesthetics. Every day is a fresh start. That's true. So, we're only in the inside yet, so I guess we'll just go upstairs. Oh, the spiral. I swear the spiral stairs are really beautiful. Every detail is like, it is very detailed. The textures, shadows. Whoa, I just love every detail. Barbie, oh my god, you are machine. Like, this update is well anticipated, and again, Royal High never fails. Also, I'll upload a decorate with me journal, I'll upload a decorate with me video with me decorating my journal, and not to mention this, all of this you can put. Oh, so let's head to the third floor. Ooh, wow, is this a pillow fight or something? Wait, let's put away our beautiful. Let's see if there are new animations. Oof, there aren't new animations, but look at this! Wow, all of their hard work paid off, and it's becoming night already. Is this the pirate room they're talking about? Ooh, it is! Whoa. Ooh, I love it! And this is the puppy ears, I think? The Darling Valentino puppy ears? Yes! This was supposed to be with the Darling Valentina set, but didn't make it. And yes, this is made by Ocean, the ever-talented, beautiful Ocean. Ooh, a hangout place. It's really good. I love every detail. I love every part of this realm. Wow. Look at the small details. S'more? You can even make a s'more. Wow. I swear, Barbie and the developers. Let's jump. Because there isn't. Oh, there is pool. Ooh, that's so cool. Whoa. I love the animations. Whoa. I love the textures. I love everything. I'm really excited for the Summer Halo, but this is really good. Where are the sharks though? I'm ready for the sharks. So it has how many? Ooh, this one's glowing.
Can we go to, this one's going to, so this is the main beach house. Ooh, wow, we used to have this at home. Filipinos used to have those. Ooh, this looks like a Barbie. This looks like Barbie's wife in the dream house. Can you enter now? Oh, you can't, so these are just for decorations, but like, girl, come on, this is so good. These are just for props, but like, wow, oh my gosh. The whole realm is so beautiful. Where are the sharks though? This Barbie released a picture of the sharks. And also,
So much good things just happened in this day, and like a few years ago, because Luna released their light stick, which are really good, and I did live stream. I'm sorry for the delays, because it's my first time, and I really don't know everything yet, but like, yeah, I'm really happy for those who understood, and for those who respected us. Wow. Can I just mention that these all are really good? Like, my diamonds are fighting. Maybe I'll wait for the Suki set, because Barbie confirmed the Suki set. Oh, there are a lot of houses. So yeah, I'll wait for the Suki set. I'ma wait for the Suki set before I buy all the things. Just want it to be in one shot. Like, I'll make a video about it. Buying the summer stuff. But I have to earn my diamonds, because the set alone was like 33,000 diamonds, and the The surfboard is 28,000, which makes it 61,000 diamonds all in all, and they only have 120, so I will be left with half, which is like 60k diamonds. And I don't think that would be enough for the Suki set, because Suki creates great sets and they're quite expensive, but all are worth it though. Yeah, I'm very excited. And also maybe a pirate set, which isn't really confirmed yet. Yeah. So let's try. Oh, I'm gonna just jump. Ooh, it turned. Oh, wow. I love the transition. Wow. It looks better in the morning because, like, wow, I can really see all of the textures and shadows. I love this. I love it so much. I love this update. The mountains. Is that Banawi rice terraces right there? I love everything. Wow, I know I've said this a lot today, but like, Barbie outdone herself. Of course, the other developers, they really worked hard to give us a really good update. She made the hairs and the rework of the cottage skirt. Then Matt created the beautiful set. Then Ocean with the puppy ears, and then of course our developers and Suki Set. Like, this update is really fire. My thoughts about this update are 10 out of 10. I mean 1000 out of 10, because these are really good. All of this stuff are really good. Perfection. So let's put everything. Oh, I'm inside of it now. Oh, that's cool. I love it. Oh, don't tell me it needs painter's plus. No, it doesn't. That's really cool though. Can we make it glow? Ooh, can we make it glow? Girl, can we make it glow? Can we make it glow, girl? Sadly, no, I think. Can make it glow, but like, what is this? Your dog lips. Oh, if you want to remove it, you can. So, let's try this donut floaty. Oh my god. Oh, I love donuts. I love it. I love it so much. So, what does X do? Oh, it's to cancel. Wait, can we try it in the sea itself? Let's try it. There's nothing wrong with it, right? This update is really bomb. Very beautiful. Oh my gosh! I can film a lot of music videos. I'm thinking of a lot right now, like maybe Dance the Night Away by Twice, or Oompa Oompa by Red Velvet, or summer songs in general. Wow. I know this update will be bomb. Let's use the beach. Oh wait, I didn't pick my floaty. Oh, let's pick you up. My floaty. I love the cute waves. You're very cute. Beach chair. Let's try it. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, I look like a tiny baby. So cute. Sleeping bag. Ooh, the sleeping bag from Apartments, which I really love to glitch. The candle jar. Ooh, a candle. The blanket. Whoa. Shark floaty. Oh, this is it. I thought it was a real shark though. Turns out it was just a floaty. So how can we do it? Can we color a shark? Oh, no way. Oh, no. That is horrible, I think. I'm gonna just paint it back in gray. Green shark isn't advisable. Please don't do it. No. Let's just use this. There, it looks better. And it's turning nighttime. But like, the glow of it, the ceiling fans, the wind, it feels very beautiful. Like, I know we can't go to swimming in beaches because of the COVID-19 case and because of quarantine, And this is a great way to experience it. Like, even though it is not in real life, it feels like it's real life. Like these beach houses, the palm trees, and they are also moving. They are not just blocks. They are moving, and I think that is what's important when you are creating games like this. Like, you should make it more interactive, and Royal High just did it. Like, everything about Royal High is perfect, which makes it my favorite game. Let's try the shark floating again in hopes of doing it correctly. Got this, come on. Ooh, wow! That's really cool. Oh, I just hit it myself. Whoa, you can, whoa. Let's go back in here. Let's just set up a bonfire. Whoa. Can we color the bonfire? Do it again. Next is the tent. Yeah, we try the tent. It's like this. So my thoughts about this update is that it's really beautiful. It doesn't disappoint, and staying up until 4 a.m. is really worth it. Like, I mean, having all of this beautiful stuff packed up together, all of the developers working really hard to give us a perfect game is clap to all those developers who really worked hard for this. I really appreciate all of your efforts, and yeah, this beach house is really good. To Barbie, to Ocean, to Shio, to Matt, to Suki, to all of the Royal High developers, thanks so much for creating a very friendly game and a very user friendly game. I really appreciate all of it, like every bit of it, and I can't wait to explore it more. And also, I will give away the new Suki Set. So here are the rules. Number 1, you must subscribe to my channel. Number 2, turn my post notifications on. Number 3, like all of my videos. Comment down below your Roblox username and comment done. So yeah, that concludes our video for today. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone!